Just going to give you a quick video on how to upload the syllabuses because I can't get to them. I'm only allowed to access my own, but I'll show you real quick. When you get into Blackboard, just click on the ACC Community tab, and then on the left-hand side, the first thing you're going to see is going to be the Upload Your Syllabus. Click here. That's what we did yesterday, and we had the you had to enter your password. Or we had to register you, and you should have gotten a thing in the email on your password. If not, I guess you can hit forgot password and try it again. So you go ahead and log into the system. If I can remember my password, bear with me as I wait for my password producer to show up. Well, there it goes. Okay, and then you hit submit. And we'll go to the courses up here at the top. So click on courses, then you will click on, and this pull down over here on your left, because for whatever reason it defaults to a semester that's already passed. So click on view all. Then your class will show up, and the only thing you need to do, your syllabus should have a line through it. All you have to do is you hit the plus sign, then you will hit choose file location, locate wherever you save the file, and I'm going to email you a copy of it. Once you click on it, then you'll hit save, and that's it. It will upload it. You can log out then. This is also, I believe, where you can, on credentialing, you can put in your curriculum, whatever, how you ever pronounce that. But anyway, I actually don't see that, so I assume that Dina will take care of that for you. But that's about all there is to it. I will send you both of these, and hopefully things work out easily for you.